Welcome back to channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. And as I was expecting, I talk about this in my morning video. iOS 26.6 beta 2 is out. The update size is around 3 gigs. As you can see, the update size depend on which iPhone you are using and from which update you are coming. So I'm using beta 1 on my this device, and this is why it is showing me the beta 2 and the 3 gigs update. And if you are on iOS 27, you will not see this update. This is for the users of iOS 26 and also for those users who have signed up for the developer beta, because it is the developer beta update. Now, if I talk about should you install this update or how you can install this update, simply get into settings, get into journal, software update, and you will see the update. Make sure you have selected developer beta. If I go on and choose the public beta, go back, I will not see the update because public beta is not out yet, so it's a developer beta again. So you can select the developer beta, and if you are on a developer beta, I think you should install this update. But if you are on a public beta of 26.6, ignore this update. Also, if you are on 26.5, ignore this update. This is just for the developer beta 1 users of 26.6. Anyways, talking about what we are expecting from this update, let's talk about that. Before starting about anything new I'm expecting in this update, I want to talk about the battery life. So I'm expecting a slightly better battery life. Now, if I talk about how the battery life is going on the beta 1, this was like on this day I used around 36%, as you can see, and for the 36% I got 3 hour and 30 minutes screen on time. Apps I used was camera. I was recording using a 4K, recorded for around 48 minutes and still able to achieve a really good screen on time. This is really nice. So far beta 1 is giving us a really good battery life, so I'm expecting slightly more improved battery life. That would be great to see. And if I talk about the Geekbench scores of beta 1, for example, going into the CPU benchmark, it is 26.6, as you can see over here. 2356 on a single core, 5695 on a multi-core. Both scores are pretty much higher than the average one, but again there is a room for improvement, so we can expect slightly better scores with the beta 2. If I talk about the GPU benchmark, recently I got 18756, which is higher than the average one. That is nice. But if I get to this update, this was 26.5. On 26.5, I got a much better score, which means with the 26.6 beta 1, there are scores are slightly low. So with the beta 2, we are expecting better scores. Now, if I talk about what is up with this update, we are not expecting anything new with this update. We might get minor changes here and there, but not expecting anything crazy over here. With the beta 1, we got a very simple feature. So when I go to the privacy and security and all the way down to my blocked contacts, with the beta 1, whenever the block contact list get full, it will give us notification. So when we will reach the limit of block persons in contacts, it will give us a notification, and that limit is reached. We can remove couple of contacts and add more. So that is the only thing we got in the beta 1. So because of that, I'm not expecting anything with the beta 2. And I believe now the whole focus of Apple is going to be about enhancements and improvement with the iOS 26, and their other focus is going to be definitely on the iOS 27, because that is the major update that came out last week. So everything is so everyone is completely focused on that, and that is such a good update. I'm using that update on my iPhone 16, also on my iPhone 11, and it is a really good update. I also recorded a real world test of iOS 27 beta 1 running on the iPhone 11. That video will come very soon in a couple of minutes. But yeah, a lot of fun, a lot of stuff is happening. But again, coming back to this video, if you are on 26.5, do not install this update. If you are on 26.6 public beta 1, wait for the public beta 2. And if you are on 26.6 a developer beta 1, go and install this update. I am also going to install this update right after this video. But if you are on iOS 27 beta 1, you will not see this update. This was all from this very short and simple video. And moving forward, I believe Apple may come back to 1 week cycle with the iOS 26.6. Let's see, because next week we are also expecting 27 beta 2, so definitely more videos will come out. And also tomorrow I will be posting 24-hour review of video of this update. And if you guys says, I will be comparing 26.6 with the 27. If you want that video, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.